Day 16, it is 6 o'clock and we are doing our 60 crunches together. Let's get down in position. If you know the form, get started right away. And if you don't, then listen up because I will help you do it properly. Hands by your ears, make sure you don't pull on your neck. You want to make sure you keep your spine as straight as you possibly can. Pick a spot on the ceiling that you want your chin to try and lift up to, trying to keep that spine nice and straight. And you want to try and engage your core and make it do all of the work throughout the whole time and make sure you breathe. Are you ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep those elbows wide. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, keep breathing, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, keep that form, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, halfway, 31, let's go, 32, push, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, come on, 39, 40, 20 left, let's go, 41, 42, 43, get those shoulders up, 44, 45, 46, watch that form, 47, 48, 49, 50, 10 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the struggle's there, and 60. Oh, we haven't done this dance in a while. Let's do it. 60 and 60. Whoop, whoop. We did it. Day 16 down and ready to go for another one tomorrow. Are you ready?